Respected teachers, my best wishes and congratulations to all of you. Dear teachers who have started creating new content in MS PowerPoint need to know how to set animation time, effect, repeat and delete all the animations from the slide together. For this reason, I have come up with a new video for you about this. So, watch the video to the end. I believe that after watching the video, you can do the task easily. Dear teachers and viewers, before starting the main topic, I have a small request to you. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because as soon as I upload a new video, you will get a notification. Let's get started. How to set animation timing? First of all, select the picture. Later, go to the menu bar and click on animation. Now click on preview and see the animation. The animation is very fast. Later, go to the menu bar again and click on animation pen. Later, go to the right side and click on the selected arrow. Afterwards, click on timing. Then you will see such a box. Now go down slowly and see there is duration. Then go to the right side and click on down arrow. From here you can select 0.5 seconds to 5 seconds. If you need more slow, click on duration bar and delete the number and type the number that you need. At last click on OK and see the animation. In this way, you can set animation timing. Animation effect. Firstly, select the text box. Later, go to the menu bar and click on animation. Now, if you want to see the animation, click on preview. Later, go to the menu bar again and click on animation pen. Afterwards, click on selected arrow. Later, click on effect option. Then you will see such a box. From here, click on direction down arrow button. And select an option that you need. Now I have clicked on from left. At last click on OK. Now see the animation. Now go to the bottom and click on slideshow. Then press arrow key from the keyboard and watch the animation. Dear teachers, if you want to add sound with the animation, click on the text box. Next, go to the menu bar and click on animations. Next, click on add animation. Next, click on more entrance effects or any other animation from here. Now I have clicked on more entrance effects. Now from the box I have clicked on grow and turn. At last click on OK. Now we can see the animation by clicking on the preview. Now go to the menu bar again and click on animation pan. Now go to the right side and click on selected down arrow box and later click on effect option. At last you will see such a box. From here you will see sound bar. Go to the right and you will see such a down arrow button. Now click on this option and you will see different sound options. From here you can select any option. Now I have selected applause and at last click on OK. Now go to the bottom of the screen and click on slideshow. Later from the keyboard press arrow key one by one. In this way you can give effect animations or you can add sound with your animation. Animation repeat. Dear teachers, at first select the object. Then go to the menu bar and click on animation. Now if you want to see the animation, click on preview. Later go to the menu bar again and click on animation pan. Afterwards click on selected animation down arrow. From here click on timing. Then you will see such a box. Now go to the down and click on down arrow of repeat. If you need 2 or 3 or any option, click on it. Also, if you want to show the object until next click or until end of slide, click on between of these options. Now I have clicked on until next click and at last click on OK. Now go to the bottom of the screen and click on slideshow. Later press arrow key from the keyboard and see the animation. In this way you can give repeat animation. How to delete all animations from the slide together. First of all, go to the selected slide from where you want to delete all animations. Then go to the menu bar and click on animation. Later click on animation pan. Now go right and select an animation. After press Ctrl+A from the keyboard. Now see all animations has been selected. Now go down slowly and click on this arrow. From here go to the bottom and click on remove. See all animations have been deleted from the slide. In this way you can delete all animations from the slide together. Dear teachers and viewers, if you subscribe my channel, thank a lot. Or if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe now. Thank you very much for watching the video to the end. May God bless you. See you again. Bye.